Once again, I can't record in 4K because I gotta use my camera here. Anyways, what are we up to on YouTube? Oh god, why is there a microwave in front of here? And there's a bag in this microwave. What's going on here is we're doing another little popcorn project here. So as you can see, YouTube, this bag, I did some online research and followed some online instructions. And as you can see here, that this bag is filled with popcorn seeds. There's popcorn seeds in this bag. Now, of course, I did have to follow some online instructions. See, one day, I was just sitting on my couch and I was bored. I was thinking like, I don't want to do oven top popcorn anymore. I want to do microwave popcorn. Because I want to bring back, remember when I used to make microwave popcorn until my mom decided to buy oven top popcorn. So good thing my mom bought some of that oven top popcorn. Because I used the remainder, well, sort of the remainder. I want it to be exactly my measurement so I don't burn down the house. To create this. So, I'm about to do this. The website said to put it for 3 minutes. God be with my popcorn. Don't let my house burn down. We're here. I'm stepping away slowly from my microwave. Gonna turn off the light, don't want to waste any. So we're still 2 minutes and 43 seconds left. If anything, I see anything here, I'll have to stop this operation immediately. Oh, holy crap. Holy, my popcorn is starting to pop. Oh my god, I can smell the popcorn. I'm making microwave popcorn. It's glorious. My popcorn is popping, and I can smell the popcorn. It's actually pretty epic, guys. Popcorn here, and it's popping, alright. It's popping. Oh no! The kernels are flying out! I smell burnt popcorn. Oh, fuck. Oh my, ow! Popcorn. I burnt the popcorn. Wait, are these? Oh, this thing's hot. I expect it not to be. Yeah. Yeah, sure. This thing's been in the microwave for 3 minutes. Wonder what how those microwaves are heating up the popcorn. Actually, here's a popcorn. But we're gonna transfer it from the bag to the bowl. So God has truly blessed my popcorn, but He might have blessed it a little too much, which caused the popcorn to burn. Yeah, that's a feature of popcorn, guys. Pops in your mouth as you eat it. Oh, it still smells terrible. I don't care, I'm gonna eat it. No matter what. Oh my god. Oh! Yeah. There we go. I gotta get a, what's it called? Shoot one of these things. Oh wow, almost broke my window, but okay. Okay, now how do you like your burnt popcorn now, buddy? Well, I'll take a picture of it. I can send it to you, since you really like burnt popcorn so much. But I'm gonna throw this out, because it's crap. So overall, the popcorn isn't that bad. Well, it doesn't, I didn't taste it yet, but... Popcorn isn't that bad. And if I add the butter, it's gonna taste better. Microwave popcorn. Well, converted oven top to microwave popcorn. Isn't that bad? I reinvented microwave popcorn! Woo! Ah, damn it, my kitchen's filled with smoke now.